Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into 10 powerful strategies to help you overcome fear and self-doubt. You know that feeling, right? That knot in your stomach, that voice in your head whispering, "What if?" It holds you back, keeps you playing small. But not anymore. We're going to break free from those limitations and unleash the incredible potential that lives inside you. Because here's the truth. You are capable of amazing things. You have greatness within you. Get ready to silence those doubts, kick fear to the curb, and step into the life you were meant to live. Let's get started. First things first, you have to acknowledge the fear. Don't try to shove it down or pretend it's not there. Look it straight in the eye and say, "Hey, I see you. I know you're there, but you don't control me. What are you truly afraid of? What's the worst that could happen?" Often, our fears are rooted in something much smaller than we make them out to be. Write those fears down. Get them out of your head and onto paper. This simple act takes away some of their power. Remember, acknowledging your fears is the first step to overcoming them. You've got this. Now that you've identified your fears, it's time to challenge those negative thoughts swirling around in your head. These thoughts can be overwhelming, making you feel stuck and powerless. But remember, you have the strength to confront them. You know the ones. "I'm not good enough. I'll never be able to do this. What if I fail?" These thoughts can creep in at the most inconvenient times, shaking your confidence and making you second-guess your abilities. Stop those thoughts in their tracks. Ask yourself, is this really true? Is there evidence to support this? Often these negative thoughts are just assumptions, not based on any real evidence. They are just fears manifesting as doubts. More often than not, those negative thoughts are based on fear, not facts. Fear can distort reality, making you believe things that aren't true. It's important to separate fact from fiction. Flip the script. For every negative thought, counter it with a positive affirmation. Replace "I can't do this" with "I can learn and grow." Replace "I'm not good enough" with "I am constantly improving." "I'm capable, I am worthy, I am strong enough to handle whatever comes my way." These affirmations are not just words. They are powerful statements that can reshape your mindset. Remember, your thoughts have power. Choose to focus on the positive and watch your confidence soar. By consistently challenging and changing your negative thoughts, you can build a more resilient and positive mindset. This will not only help you in the present, but also prepare you for future challenges. Sometimes fear and self-doubt stem from feeling overwhelmed. We often find ourselves paralyzed by the sheer size of our ambitions. We look at the big picture and freeze, thinking, "I could never do all of that." The enormity of the task can make it seem impossible. That's where setting realistic goals comes in. By breaking down your goals, you make them more approachable and less intimidating. Break down those big, scary goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This way, each step feels like a small, achievable task rather than an insurmountable challenge. Instead of saying, "I want to write a book," start with, "I'm going to write 1 page today." This makes the goal feel more tangible and within reach. Each small step you take, no matter how tiny, is a victory. Celebrate these small wins, as they are proof of your progress. It's proof that you're moving forward, building momentum, and proving to yourself that you can do this. Each step builds your confidence and brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Remember, you don't have to climb the whole mountain today. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Just focus on taking that first step. With each step, the path becomes clearer and the goal more attainable. Keep moving forward, one step at a time, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. This is where the rubber meets the road. You can acknowledge your fears, challenge negative thoughts, and set goals, but none of it matters if you don't take action. Action is the antidote to fear. When you take that first step, even if it's a small one, you break the paralysis of fear and start moving in the right direction. Don't let perfectionism hold you back. Remember, done is better than perfect. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to stumble. What matters is that you keep moving forward. Remember, action creates confidence, so get out there and make it happen. You don't have to do this alone. Life's journey can be challenging, and pursuing your dreams might sometimes feel overwhelming. But remember, you are not meant to walk this path by yourself. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who lift you up, and who encourage you to chase your dreams. These are the people who will celebrate your victories and stand by you during your struggles. Tell your trusted friends and family about your goals. Share your aspirations and dreams with them. Ask for their support and let them be a part of your journey. Their encouragement can be a powerful motivator. Find a mentor or join a community of like-minded individuals who understand your journey. A mentor can provide guidance, wisdom, and insight, while a community can offer camaraderie and shared experiences. When you have a strong support system, those moments of self-doubt become less daunting. The challenges you face seem more manageable because you know you have people who believe in you. You have people to remind you of your strength, your resilience, and your ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. They will be there to give you a pep talk when you need it the most. Remember, you are not alone. Your support system is your safety net, your source of strength, and your reminder that you are capable of great things. Reach out, connect, and build a tribe of cheerleaders who will have your back every step of the way. Together, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your dreams. Embrace the power of a strong support system and let it propel you forward. Be kind to yourself. You're human. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to have setbacks. It's all part of the journey. When things don't go as planned, don't beat yourself up. Talk to yourself the way you would talk to a friend going through the same thing. Offer yourself words of encouragement, understanding, and support. Remember, you are worthy of love and compassion, especially from yourself. So cut yourself some slack, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself achieving your goals. See yourself overcoming challenges, feeling that sense of accomplishment, and stepping into the life you've always dreamed of. Visualization is a powerful tool. When you visualize success, you're essentially programming your mind for it. You're creating a mental blueprint for your brain to follow. Make visualization a daily practice. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself achieving your goals, feeling confident, and living your best life. Remember, your mind is a powerful thing. Use it to your advantage. Take a moment to reflect on your past successes. Think about times when you faced your fears, overcame challenges, and achieved something you didn't think was possible. Write down your accomplishments, big or small. Create a victory log that you can refer to whenever those feelings of self-doubt creep in. Remembering your past triumphs is a powerful reminder of your strength, resilience, and ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember, you've done it before, and you can do it again. One of the best ways to combat self-doubt is to invest in yourself. Take courses, attend workshops, read books, and learn new skills that will help you achieve your goals. When you invest in your personal and professional development, you're essentially saying, I believe in myself, I'm worth it. And that belief will radiate outwards, boosting your confidence and silencing those inner critics. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. If you're struggling to overcome fear and self-doubt on your own, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist or coach can provide you with valuable tools and strategies to manage these feelings and create positive change in your life. There's no shame in asking for help. In fact, it's a sign of strength and self-awareness. It takes courage to acknowledge that you need support and to reach out for it. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. There are professionals who can help you navigate these challenges and create a brighter future for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Remember, overcoming fear and self-doubt is a journey, not a destination. There will be good days and tough days. There will be moments when you feel unstoppable and moments when you want to give up. But through it all, remember this: you are capable of amazing things. You are strong, You are worthy, and you are not alone. Keep pushing forward, keep believing in yourself, and never give up on your dreams. See you in the next video.